here in Hong Kong makes me think a lot about business, and one of the aspects that our clients frequently ask us is what value is IP to your business? Well, when you first start a business, probably your most valuable assets are your ideas, which hopefully will turn into patents. As business progresses and you make more and more of your products, you make more and more money, your brand name becomes as important, and in some cases will eventually surpass the importance of your patents, to the point where if you run a good business and your brand becomes famous, hopefully your trademarks will eventually become the most valuable aspect of your business.
I love Hong Kong! I love Hong Kong! I love Hong Kong!
Okay, we've got some background noise there, don't we? Okay, you've said I love Hong Kong 10 times now. How many more times? Okay. If you're thinking about filing trademarks in more than one country, often the best way to do that is through a mechanism known as the Madrid Protocol, where you can take a US filed application and have that same application applied for in a number of different countries using one simple application process. Now, a lot of people will think that just by filing a Madrid Protocol application, you've got an international trademark. Well, you don't. All you've done is you've successfully applied in a number of different countries, but that doesn't mean your trademark application will be approved. Instead, you have to wait for each individual foreign trademark office to examine the application, decide whether or not they're going to approve it, then they'll give the answer to you in the form of an office action. We're looking right now at IFC2, International Financial Center 2, and one of the Star Ferries is lining up trying to get a space at the dock. I'd like to talk a little bit about federal versus state trademarks. A lot of people would like to save some money and just file for state trademarks, which is a fine idea up to a point. A state trademark will protect you in that state, but it won't protect you in other states. And in this internet age, it's often better to apply for a federal trademark that'll protect you across the United States than to just try to apply in one state and figure your business is never going to grow. Since you can sell just about anything over the internet, realistically, the minute your website hits the on button, you're advertising your goods throughout the entire world, and so it's probably a better idea to spend a little bit more money on a federal trademark application than it would be to try to just protect you in a state, particularly if you end up expanding and then having to file state by state.